Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create new account Gmail without phone number. So if you don't have phone number and Google asks you to confirm that you are not robot, so Google will verify this number via SMS. So you don't wanna the OTP come to your phone. So all you have to do is open this online sim.io, or you can try another website that provide you virtual number. So for example, you can choose the country first, here Indonesia, or you want some number from Austria, for example. Let's see if there is Austria here. This one, the Austria. So you can choose the number here, for example, here. So after you copy this number, the SMS will be here. So you can copy this number and pass in here. So if you tap next or click next, so you will get verification code in here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you.